going on, guys? Figured y'all would like to get a look at my new project car. What we got here is a 1988 Ford Bronco. Picked this puppy up for $1,000 and needed a little bit of work, but I think we got it pretty well and good where we want it to be. So let's take a good look at this thing. It's not too bad of a shape. The only really problem outside is we're missing the one XLT badge down here. You know, that ain't too big of a problem. We got the real vintage 80s rims, 80s, 90s rims, I don't really know. And we are getting some new tires. These tires are pretty well and truly shot. But the only bad rust spot we got is right down here. And then there's another one, if we go around to the other side, it's where these Broncos always rust out, so you know, right in there. Other than that, she's in good shape. Had to put a new tailgate, this thing on there to get our black badge and our Ford Oval, but aside from that, top needs a little bit of paint. Go on inside. Got that pimp red interior. Steering wheel needs a little bit of help. Got a tan console out of a newer style Bronco. That was Dad's work. Our seat over here seen better days. Like Dad's fix. We cut the material out of another Ford seat and sewed it in over top. I think it did a pretty good job. Got all the dash put back together in good shape like it should be. And if we look in the back's in pretty good shape. The interior of this Bronco is not too bad. Now if we take a look under the hood, we'll see what it is we got going on here. Man, oh man. What we've got here is a good old 5.8 351. Got a new alternator, new timing cover, new serpentine belt, and a Motorscraft tune-up kit. That's it. She runs pretty good. It's a good running truck. Makes good power. You know what? Let's fire it up. See what we got going on here. Get our keys. She idles up just fine. Pretty good oil pressure. It's charging. That temperature never warms up. I don't know what's wrong with it. Here you can see the 5.8. She runs good. First startup of the day, so she's a bit cold. She's a smoky one. I believe it's got an aftermarket muffler on it. I'm pretty sure, I'm not certain. But here she is. She's not in too bad shape. She's gonna be the little brother's ride once he's old enough to drive in about a year or so. So there you have it. There's the 88 Ford. She's got a small oil leak down there, right at the drain plug. And I know what's wrong with that, and I have the parts to fix it. I'm just a little too lazy to do it. But yeah, next thing is she's gonna go to the car wash and get a good car wash off She's been sitting under trees for about 2 years when we got her. Didn't run. All we had to do was put a new fuel line in and a starter solenoid. And she fired right up and really didn't need any work. We just put the tune-up kit on to establish a baseline maintenance, and then we had to flush the transmission. It was slipping a little bit. After a new filter and flush, it ran fine. And that's really it. That's really it, guys. $1,000 got me a running, driving vehicle, and she's in pretty good shape, and I'm not too upset about it. So stay tuned, and I'll see if I can get a video driving around the block in this bad boy, because this truck really is a pleasure to drive. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching.